Picture window installation in Sugar Land offers homeowners a stunning view and enhances the aesthetic appeal of any home. With custom window designs, you can choose from a variety of window style options to perfectly match your home's architecture. Picture window replacement in Sugar Land ensures that your picture windows Sugar Land are not only beautiful but also energy efficient, helping to reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient windows in Sugar Land are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to save on energy bills. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round by reducing heat transfer. Double-pane windows in Sugar Land are particularly effective, providing excellent insulation and noise reduction, and pair perfectly with picture windows Sugar Land for maximum performance. Window frame replacement is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Vinyl window frames in Sugar Land are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. They offer excellent insulation and are available in a variety of colors and styles to suit any home, making them a great choice to complement picture windows Sugar Land. Custom window installation in Sugar Land allows homeowners to create unique window designs that reflect their personal style. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional look, custom window designs can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Window design consultation services in Sugar Land can help you explore the best options for your home, including selecting picture windows Sugar Land for timeless elegance. Window glass installation in Sugar Land is crucial for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Cracked or broken glass can compromise the energy efficiency of your windows and pose a safety risk. Professional window glass installation services ensure that your windows are restored to their original condition, especially when installing picture windows Sugar Land. Home window upgrades in Sugar Land can significantly enhance the value and comfort of your home. From window seal replacement to window insulation services, there are numerous options available to improve the performance of your windows. Upgrading to energy-efficient options like picture windows Sugar Land can also provide long-term savings on energy costs. Window seal replacement in Sugar Land is important for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Over time, window seals can deteriorate, leading to air leaks and increased energy bills. Professional window seal replacement services ensure that your picture windows Sugar Land are properly sealed and insulated. Window insulation services in Sugar Land are designed to enhance the energy efficiency of your home. By improving the insulation of your windows, you can reduce heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also reduces your energy bills, especially when applied to picture windows Sugar Land. Window style options in Sugar Land are vast, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect windows for their home. From traditional to contemporary designs, there are window styles to suit every taste and architectural style. Window design consultation services can help you explore the best options, such as picture windows Sugar Land for expansive views and modern elegance. Window maintenance tips are essential for keeping your windows in top condition. Regular cleaning and inspection can prevent issues such as condensation and drafts. Window maintenance in Sugar Land includes services such as window cleaning solutions and window hardware replacement to ensure your picture windows Sugar Land function properly. Window hardware replacement in Sugar Land is necessary for maintaining the functionality of your windows. Over time, window hardware can wear out or become damaged, affecting the operation of your windows. Professional window hardware replacement services ensure that your picture windows Sugar Land open and close smoothly. Discover the best picture window installation services in Sugar Land, offering a wide range of custom window designs and energy-efficient windows. Our expert team specializes in window frame replacement and window glass installation, ensuring your home window upgrades are seamless and efficient. With our window installation warranty, you can trust that your picture windows Sugar Land will be handled with the utmost care and professionalism. Enhance your home's comfort with double-pane windows and vinyl window frames in Sugar Land. Our window insulation services provide superior window noise reduction and window UV protection, making your home more energy efficient. We offer window seal replacement and window weatherproofing to keep your home protected from the elements. Our window tinting services in Sugarland add an extra layer of privacy and style, enhancing your picture window's Sugarland. For those seeking window style options in Sugarland, our window design consultation services are tailored to meet your specific needs. We provide window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your custom window installation in Sugarland. Our window maintenance tips and window cleaning solutions help keep your picture windows Sugarland looking pristine year-round. Trust our window hardware replacement and window screen installation services to enhance the functionality and appearance of your windows. Address window condensation issues with our expert window condensation solutions in Sugarland. Our window safety features and window noise reduction services ensure a safe and peaceful home environment. We offer comprehensive residential window services in Sugarland, including window replacement cost assessments and window maintenance services. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch cleaning and measurement services to maintain your picture windows Sugarland. Upgrade your home with our energy-efficient windows in Sugarland, designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our window UV protection and window noise reduction features make our windows a smart investment for any homeowner. With our window installation warranty in Sugarland, you can have peace of mind knowing your picture windows Sugarland are installed to the highest standards. Choose our window style options and custom window installation services in Sugarland for a home that stands out.